After Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrived in Paris on Thursday, 13 July, for his two-day visit to France, he met Gerard Larcher, President of the French Senate, and subsequently addressed the Indian diaspora at the La Seine Musical Performing Arts Centre. PM Modi said that the people-to-people connect is the strongest foundation of the India-France partnership. India and France are tackling many challenges of the 21st century. Therefore, at this crucial time, the importance of the strategic partnership between our countries has increased even more, said the PM. He also congratulated the people of France on their National Day on Friday. In his nearly 1 hour long speech to the enthusiastic crowd at the La Seine Musical, a performing arts centre on an island in the river Seine, Modi outlined India's fast-paced development and asserted that while the world is moving towards a new order, India's strength and role are also changing very quickly. He mentioned India's presidency of the G20 in this context and noted how the world has been left impressed by the way the country has been hosting various events. Modi announced the opening of a new Indian consulate in Marseille in France and told the cheerful audience that Indian students doing masters in the European country will now get 5-year-long post-study work visas.
फ्रांस में पढ़ने वाले भारतीय स्टूडेंट्स को 2 साल का पोस्ट स्टडी वर्क वीजा दिया जाएगा.
Highlighting India's democratic and pluralistic credentials, he said that India is the mother of democracy and a model of diversity as well. This is a very big strength, he said, noting that over 32,000 newspapers and 900 news channels exist in the country in over 100 languages and that Tamil is the world's oldest language. This diversity is the biggest strength of Indian democracy and Indians are fulfilling their dreams on the basis of this plurality and helping the country and the world move forward, he said. The Prime Minister noted that Wimbledon had recently described tennis great Roger Federer as Thalaiva, saying that the world is also enjoying the diversity of Indian languages. Noting that France is celebrating its National Day, in which he is the guest of honor, Modi said that he has been to the country many times, but it was special this time as he lauded its support to India and the strength of ties between the two countries, which marked the 25th anniversary of their strategic partnership. Modi recalled that Alliance Francaise, which promotes French culture, had opened its centre in Ahmedabad 40 years back and he was its first member. The Prime Minister also sounded emotional as he paid tributes to Indian soldiers who laid down their lives on France's soil during World War I and noted that one of the regiments involved in the battle, the Punjab Regiment, will take part in the Bastille Day parade on Friday. He also thanked France for this. Describing people-to-people connect as the key foundation of the India-France partnership, he also asked the diaspora members to invest in India, noting that global experts are recognizing the country's attractiveness as an investment destination and the country is taking rapid strides in development. Calling the diaspora India's ambassadors, he said they should make it a mission to boost tourism in India and asked them to encourage their French friends to visit the country to feel its diversity and history and traditions going back thousands of years. India has become the first country in the world where remittance from its diaspora has crossed $100 billion, he said. Modi said very soon Indian tourists will be able to make rupee payments using UPI from atop Eiffel Tower. Amid chants of Modi Modi and Bharat Mata Ki Jai, Modi also said in a few weeks or months from now, a statue of great Tamil philosopher Thiruvallur will be built in the Sergi prefecture. He noted that reverse counting for the launch of Chandrayaan has also started in India while stressing on the progress the country is making in various sectors. While speaking on India's strong ties with France, he said that French footballer Kylian Mbappe is probably more known in India, where he is a super hit among the youth in India. After his address, PM Modi went to the Elysee Palace in Paris for a private dinner hosted by French President Emmanuel Macron.
फुटबॉलर उनकी पॉपुलैरिटी तो आप इंडिया आकर के देखिए. किलियन मापे के जितने फ्रेंड्स फ्रांस में नहीं होंगे, उससे ज्यादा वो भारत.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.